the first solo trip. I'm fucking scared, but I'm fucking hyped. Look how I packed my monitor, bro. Fucking heavy duty shit here. Hopefully it's not cracked or broken, because that would be a tragedy. So let me unpack this, and hopefully we didn't come here with no screen, bro. Everyone, look at the new setup, guys. Look at the new setup. Just look at it. Absolutely beautiful. With a beautiful view, bro. Again, the camera does not do justice. This is fucking phenomenal. This is fucking phenomenal. And, wait. I gotta... Like, I still can't believe this. That, like, this is my life. Like, this is my life. I'm blessed. I am truly blessed to say, like, let me just come here. Why not? Random September. Just why not? Right? Look at this. And you know what I hate the most? It's that a lot of people, I've been planning this trip for a while, and a lot of people were like downplaying my success, and I feel like that's what like a lot of successful people kind of deal with, where it's like every normal person thinks that in order to achieve financial freedom, you have to be like some type of lucky. It's like you're rolling the ball on a roulette trying to hit the zero or something, or like you're trying to win the lottery. Like, you know, I was talking about it to people like, yeah, I'm gonna go to Colombia, blah, blah, blah. And they're like, oh, you're so lucky. Oh, that's so cool. Wow, you're so lucky, you know? And like, am I really lucky? Like, did I really get here by luck? Or was it the simple fact that you didn't see probably the thousands of hours for the last 3 years of my life absolutely trying to make it work, absolutely grinding my ass off, making fucking sacrifices, not going out here, not participating in here, you know, sacrificing my sleep, sacrificing my health. I don't understand this ideology of people telling themselves like, oh, you have to be lucky. No, that's just a cop-out. That's just an excuse because you didn't fucking have the balls enough to keep trying. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm really not trying to like push up my ego. But when facts are just facts, you don't do things and be successful because it was just luck. You do it because you worked hard. That a lot of people are not willing to take the risk. A lot of people aren't even willing to try. Like, you didn't even try. Fucking, let alone the hundreds and thousands of hours of sacrifice. You didn't even try. You were too scared to take the jump. And I've gotten so many comments of like, luck. It blows my mind. It blows my mind. Till this day, like, I will have people always saying like, I got lucky. Which obviously, so be it, right? But that, for me, I want to bring it up because if you're someone like this watching, that's the reason why you fail. That's the reason why you're normal. That mindset there is the reason why. So I'm trying to help you out. I'm generally trying to help you out. Like, yo, like, swallow the fucking pill that you're absolutely a pussy. I did that. I fucking did that. Every successful person did that. So I'm not trying to be mean. You just gotta swallow the fucking pill that you're a big bitch, and you gotta change that, right? And another thing is that people think I came here for like a vacation. Like, yeah, this is beautiful, right? Beautiful, beautiful. I'm here alone. This is my first solo trip, first of all. So it's a bit I'm a bit nervous, you know, especially Colombia is like not that safe. But I did my research. I'm in like the safest area, gated community. We're all good, right? But I didn't come here for vacation. Like, I legit brought my fucking whole setup, basically. I'm here to work, right? And again, people didn't understand the reason why I went on this vacation. Wow, they're brainwashing me. I'm saying a vacation. No, it's not a vacation. People didn't understand why I went on this trip because they just didn't understand the idea of isolation. Now, I think I needed a reset. I think I really needed a reset, especially going into Q4. It's going to be the most important, year for my business and probably for some of yours if you're, doing e-commerce, right? And I just didn't think of a better time to really just reset. And you have to understand that, like, yes, the views are beautiful and I'm lucky to be here, right? It's hard. Why don't you go to fucking Colombia by yourself for 40 fucking days? How about you do that? It's not that easy. It's actually pretty hard. I live in a household of 5 people. I have big family members. I have cousins, aunts. I have a sociable life at home. Not like a sociable life in that regards of girls and friends. I have very few friends, no girls, no bitches, but I do have a big family, so I communicate and I'm always surrounded with people. So now you go ahead, fly your ass off to what's supposedly called a dangerous country. You don't know the fucking language, you don't know anything, by yourself and live in isolation for 40 fucking days. You tell me that's easy. I had to legit witness my mom cry. My mom cried when I left, and you know how painful that is? To see my mom cry basically because of me. It's hard. It's fucking hard. I don't want to make my mom cry. I don't want to make her upset at all. And I think the unfortunate, not the unfortunate, but like it's the job of the man to look at the bigger picture. Like, I understand that the time being away from my loved ones are not easy. It's going to be hard, but I know the benefits. I'm doing it for them. I'm basically trying to isolate myself for a while so I can be more productive, so I can get my mind straight, so therefore I can produce better and perform better and make more money and make more financial freedom and just retire them, give them money, whatever it may be. Like, it is for them, right? And the the money that I spent here, I think will bring a more exponential return. Who knows? I just came here. This is my first day. But I'm just saying, it's that everyone thinks that it's just so like, oh my gosh, Julian's living the dream. Julian's living the dream. Sure, I'm living a pretty fucking sick life right now. Don't get me wrong. But what did it take for me to get here? What are the underlying reasons why I'm here? What are the underlying reasons why I do everything? Like, again, you see social media, you see all the beautiful the views and the lifestyle and this and that, but you didn't see the hardship. You can't grasp the idea that I have to now isolate myself. Empty room. Look, switch this fucking camera. Empty. Hello, no one here. Let me check the room. Oh, no one here as well. Wow, I have to be in complete isolation. It won't be easy, but I'm excited because I think it's necessary, and I think that I'll end up being a better man when I come home, and that's what I'd like to believe. So, for the people that understand the journey, for the people that understand, the hardships of what it takes to actually, be different, to actually, do something with your life and not just complain or mope around or just do something because the world has pushed you to do it. A lot of people nowadays are unhappy with what they're doing, and it sucks. It genuinely sucks. I was one of them, and there's light on the other side of the tunnel if you just genuinely try. At least just fucking try. Just trying makes you a better person than 95% because people don't even try. Fuck. Anyways. Yeah. We're about to lock in, bro. Well, I hope you stay tuned for this journey. It's going to be a hell of a journey. Anyways, as always, I'll see you at the fucking top.